And I got that dividend in my sleep. All I've been doing is just holding this company, being invested. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Bruce Wang. In today's video, I have a Robinhood investment challenge update. I've had a very bad month in the stock market. So let's just jump into the portfolio to see how everything's going. So as you can see, my portfolio hasn't changed that much since the last update. It is still worth $4,445. On the day chart, I'm down about $17. On the 1 week chart, I'm down about $100. 1 month chart, I'm down $146. On the 3 month chart, I'm up $250, which is almost 6%. And on the 1 year chart, I'm up about $600, which is 15%. And on the all time here, I'm still up 150. So I have that going for me. I'm gonna take you through my portfolio really quickly. I've really dialed down my portfolio, and I'm currently holding only 11 stocks. So I think I can easily go through all those stocks for you. One of my biggest investments is with AGNC Investments. I have 100 shares, and currently it is worth $17.05. And if we take a look at my average cost, I bought in around $17.84. So total return, I'm down $79. When it comes to this investment, I will not be selling and I will not be buying anymore. I'll just be holding this 100 shares, and I'll just be collecting the dividends. AGNC provides me, ever since I bought AGNC in January, it's been paying me out a lot of dividends. So each month, my dividends has been raising because I've been buying more and more shares. So on the first month, I got $10 in dividends. On the second month, I got 11, and then 12. And then May, this month, I got $12.60, and it is paying around 18 cents for every share. So next month, I should be making around $18 in dividends for just holding these shares. And hopefully I'm able to recoup all of this total return lost by the end of the year. Moving on to the next biggest holding that I have is called Prospect Capital. So right now, Prospect Capital is $6.83, and I capped this out at 200 shares. Total equity is about $1,300. And when I take a look at the dividends, I've had this since January as well, and I've been getting around $10, $11, $12, and now Prospect Capital should be paying me out a $12 dividend every single month until at least until the next quarter when they update their financials. And let's move on to the next one, LTC Properties. This again is another monthly paying dividend. Let's take a look at my position. This position is a lot lower. I only have 25 shares, but I am holding a lot of equity in this company, $1,100 total cost. My average cost is $44.47, and portfolio diversity is a lot better, less than 15% of the entire portfolio. I've been holding this stock since September, so I've been getting paid out every single month since then. And as you can see, I've only been increasing the dividends because I've been buying more shares of this company. And my latest one, I got paid $3.80 for holding 20 shares. So I should be getting a lot more for the next month. And right now I'm still trying to rearrange my portfolio, but I'm not planning to buy any more shares of LTC Properties. SPHD is one of my favorite stocks out there. If you're a beginner just coming into dividend investing, this is a great way to start. SPHD is an index fund. They track the S&P 500. They take the 75 highest yielding dividend from the S&P 500, and they track the top 50 least volatile, and that's how you get SPHD. If we take a look at my position, I have 25 shares, $1,000 in equity. My average cost, I bought in a lot less than the current price. And when it comes to dividend investing, this is as easy as it gets. So when I first started, I was making like 14 cents, and the more shares I got, the more dividends I got. So as you can see here, it's been increasing every single month. In March, I got $3. In April, I got $3.70, and for May 31st, I'm expected to get $3.78. If you guys are enjoying the video, don't forget to leave me a like so I can move on to this next stock. The next stock is going to be AT&T. This stock I talk about a lot. I still invest in AT&T. Currently it's $32.23. Total equity is $800. I'm gonna get this up to $1,000 as fast as possible. I haven't been doing too much buying when it comes to my Robinhood account, so that's why I still have only 25 shares. As you can see, my total return is $17. So for the last 3 months, AT&T has been doing really good. A lot of that has to do with them paying back a lot of their debt that they've accumulated over the years, and they do have a solid plan for paying that debt. And on top of that, they have a dividend yield of 7%. And if you take a look at the Robinhood Gold report here, fair value is still at $37, so this is still well under fair value. So at the end of this video, I want to update you guys with what I think about Tesla, so don't forget to check that out as well. Coca-Cola is one of those stocks that has been doing really well for me over the last 3 months, and I own 10 shares, so that's about $500 in equity. As you can see, my total return is $33, so thanks to Coca-Cola, it's been saving my portfolio over the last 3 months. The next stock is Nike. Nike has been doing all right for me. I own only 5 shares, so that's not too bad. And total return so far is negative $8.88. Robinhood Gold hasn't really updated their report, but I think that if they do upgrade their report, their fair value will be a lot less than what it is now. And let's move on to the next stock. The next stock is another monthly dividend stock here. Realty Income, $69.72. I own 5 shares. Total equity is $350. So this is another company that I need to start investing in as soon as possible. I want to get this to at least 10% of my portfolio. And total return is $8.20. Again, this is not accounting for all the dividends that I've received. Currently, it is a bit overpriced. It is about $10 over the fair value that Robinhood Gold is giving. So be aware of that if you decide to buy in right now. I've been holding this company since October, and it's been paying me out relatively well over the last few months. And on May 15th, I got a dividend of $1.13. And I got that dividend in my sleep. All I've been doing is just holding this company, being invested. When it comes to Starbucks, Apple, and Santander, I don't have that much equity in them. If we look at my equity, you can see that total I have less than $500. So they don't really do too much to my portfolio. But when it comes to Apple, I think we'll have a hard time with the trade war as well. As you can see, my total return was $34. So all I plan to do with Apple is just, I'm going to be holding it and collecting the dividends. Even though dividend yield percentage is a bit low, Apple is still a growth stock after all. But according to the Robinhood Gold report, the fair value for this company is still $200. So I wouldn't buy any more Apple on my Robinhood account because I don't have that much capital to invest in it, but I will be investing in Apple in my M1 Finance. So if you guys are interested in my M1 Finance videos, go check it out here in the card. So Tesla is yet in another downward spiral. It is down over about 7% on the day, which is ridiculous. Tesla is just getting hammered with a lot of bad news. And I want to show you guys the new Robinhood Gold report from it. It was updated about 2 days ago. So the new fair value that Robinhood Gold is giving it is $171. So the analyst Morningstar, they downgraded their fair value for this company. And the uncertainty is just so high. And I think that Tesla is going to be very volatile for a while. The price for Tesla is just going to keep going down until it bottoms out around that fair value mark. So that's why I decided to sell Tesla earlier. I just didn't want to carry that cost and carry that volatility. And I will be buying back when it reaches that bottoming out point. For anybody that's still holding, hold on strong, guys. I think that Tesla is still going to be a great company 5 to 10 years down the line. This is another company that I believe is going to change the world, but I know it might be very frustrating for you over the last month or so. When it comes to my portfolio, I'm buying for dividends and I'm reinvesting. So I should still be on track for the end of the year where I'm kind of close to $10,000 portfolio. That's my goal for at least this year, is to have my portfolio hit $10,000. And if anything, I'll just keep increasing my deposits. I'm planning to increase it a little bit over the next few months, but we'll see how things go. And if you guys are still interested in Robinhood investing, go check out my older videos. You can even go back to when I first started. It's kind of crazy how far along I've came. And you can just click this video right here if you want to see that. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.